Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add policies to the footer in Shopify. All right, let's begin. To add policies like terms of service or shipping details to your Shopify store's footer, start by opening shopify.com in your browser. Click on the settings icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. A new window will appear where you can access various settings. Navigate down to the Policy tab and click on it. Here you'll see different policy types. For each type, enter your content directly into these fields or use a default template provided by Shopify if available, though it's recommended that you review any templates thoroughly before publishing. Once all policies are set up and saved, close out of settings and head over to your online store editor. Click on Navigation, then select Footer. Here, delete any existing headers related to policies if needed. Next, create new links for each policy by entering a title and selecting its corresponding link from within Shopify's system. Repeat this process for other policy types as needed before saving changes. So that's basically how you can add policies to the footer in Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.